In this tutorial, you will learn to use the Replace Device feature. When a subscriber orders an upgraded gateway, or you provide one as an RMA replacement, the Replace Device feature saves everyone time. Device Manager keeps device settings within its database, enabling it to write those settings out to a new device on demand. This remote capability removes the need for subscribers to call your support line for assistance with recreating all of their settings on the replacement gateway. Here's how it's done. First, identify the OUI and serial number for the new device you intend to ship to the subscriber. Next, look up the subscriber in Device Manager. From the left navigation bar, expand the Device Management drop-down and select Replace Device. Click the blue Replace Device button. We come to this familiar-looking screen you may have seen in the tutorials on provisioning. It serves the same basic purpose in this situation: to enter a brand new device or to select from the existing devices already in Device Manager's database. For this demonstration, let's assume this is a new device not previously entered into Device Manager. All that's needed is to fill in the serial number and the OUI. Click the Copy Settings button and you're done. For now, both devices are selectable up here. Notice the difference. The new one doesn't have the manufacturer information here in the drop-down. Also, once we select it, it appears as pending activation, which we sometimes refer to as a future device. When that future device gets cabled up at the subscriber's home, comes online, and informs the Device Manager, the sync event that takes place will copy all the settings Device Manager has stored from the original device that was provisioned to that subscriber. Once all that happens, all the details about the device you're accustomed to seeing here will appear. The original device can then be deleted. This concludes this tutorial. Now go log in to your Device Manager system and try out what you've learned.